University research espresso style. Quick, on the go. Welcome to Espresso Knowledge. A polarized society, heavily divided on moral grounds, will elect extreme leaders. In a recent study, researchers talked to over 1,500 right-wing and left-wing voters in Australia, US and the UK about their beliefs and values. If people thought society was breaking down, they were more likely to elect an authoritarian figure to restore order. If they thought there was poor leadership, they were drawn towards a progressive leader who would unify and lead the country in a new direction. But reality seems different. In fact, the researchers say that we agree on a lot more than we disagree on. But somehow, we've been led to believe the opposite, and this is what threatens our social and political stability. So what's the study trying to tell us? Be careful and think twice before blindly following politicians, the media, or interest groups who gain from dividing us. ResearchStoryteller.com has links to the original article and study.